The next generation of adventure seekers is here. Introducing the all-new 2021 Bronco Sport here at Royal Oak Ford. The 2021 Bronco Sport is the newest addition to the Ford SUV lineup with a 1.5-liter turbo engine producing 181 horsepower and 190 pound-feet of torque, with an interior built for the outdoors, including 4x4 GOAT modes, an 8-inch touchscreen displaying Ford's infotainment system. The Bronco Sport promotes safety with the Co-Pilot 360 Driver Assist Suite with adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, pedestrian detection, and evasive steering assist. So come take a test drive with me, Franco Esposito, in the all-new 2021 Bronco Sport here at Royal Oak Ford.